Alright, update 3, I'll make this quick. Finish welded all this up. Got that done. Got the adapter there made. These are floor flanges that I bolt together to make it so that you can remove this portion like a kind of like a link, you know. Cyclone has all been patched up and repaired. Thicker sheet metal. This has been made. It's all cut to shape. I gotta braze that side, and I gotta weld that side. So that's where we're at. That's like what I call the hot side of the system. It's always the hardest. You gotta work with metal. And once you get past the cooler and into the bed filter and stuff, it's all plastic, PVC, and that's a hell of a lot easier to work with. So that's where we're at. Thank you.